Hey guys, Savvy Coupon Shopper here for our Target deals for the week starting November 9th through November 15th. Some great deals here as you can see, and I'll go ahead and break those down for you. But just a reminder, always at the beginning of my videos, after watching the video, be sure to go to my Facebook page if there's deals that you want to do for available printable coupons. There's some great printable Lipton coupons that will not be around long, so you're going to want to go ahead and print those out for the deals. But let's go ahead and start. The Nivea, our buy two, get a $5 Target gift card on the lotions. They're $5.99 a piece, 21 ounces. And check your bottles. I found some bonus size, 25% more bottles, so I picked those up. So buy two, get a $5 Target gift card. But then we also have in the 1026 Red Plum, let me show you the coupon, these awesome $2 off one lotion coupons there. And you're going to want to use two of those for the deal. So when you go ahead and do that, they come to about $1.49 a piece. From $5.99 to $1.49, I think that's a great deal. So wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. Next awesome deal that I'm really excited about is the Lipton Green Tea, the Superfruit. These are, I believe, $1.91 at Target, $1.91 or $1.94. And on my Facebook page, I have an awesome save $3 on any two Lipton products. So these are roughly like $3.80, 82, 85 cents or so for two. But when you use that $3 off coupon, you're going to get two boxes for less than $1. So less than 50 cents a box. 20 count. They've got some awesome flavors: blackberry pomegranate, dragon fruit melon. There's a peach. There's a blueberry. The regular green tea, they had a sign for 94 cents for 20 count, but there were not any available. So still a great deal on the flavored tea. So you're going to want to go to my Facebook page, print out that coupon. You can print out two coupons per computer, so get two of those so you can get 4 boxes just like I did. And also there is a really good Pure Leaf coupon, or you can use these on the 2 for $3. But this is $1.59 at Target. I have $1 off one coupon on my Facebook page, so that would make these 59 cents. But if you picked up two, since they are Lipton products, and if you look on the side here, my cashier said they were not Lipton, but right there, show them that they're Lipton products. You can also buy two of the Pure Teas with the $3 off two coupon, which would make them only 9 cents a piece. Super good deal there. Another great deal is Nestle Creamers. They are... these are the 16 ounce, and they're 2 for $3, so they're $1.50 a piece. Target has save $1 on 3 coupon, and then on my Facebook page, Nestle has on their Facebook page $1 off 2 coupons. So you can go ahead and print those. That'll bring these down to 83 cents a piece. So good deal on those. Great deal that I got on Pantene. Now we all know the Pantene is buy shampoo, conditioner, get a free styler. So this was automatically free. But these are $3.99 products too. Make sure you're getting the $3.99 products. But I also used the coupon from the P&G insert where it was a buy a shampoo, get a conditioner for free. So that was free. But I had from my Target Beauty Box a $3 off any beauty purchase, which it was a Target store coupon. So I used that as well with this because I got the lotions and the shampoo, so it took $3 off. So if you apply that toward the Pantene deal, I got all 3 for 99 cents. But again, that's only using the manufacturer coupon as well as the Beauty Box 3 off 15 coupon. So if you don't have that, you're going to pay $3.99 for 3 items, which is still a really good deal. Airwick is that ongoing coupon, which is the $2 off 2 Airwick items. They, in my Target, you know, they're hit or miss. Sometimes they take off the 2, but they took off the 97 cents a piece. So I still got those for free. So make sure you pick those up. And then the last deal that I have for you are on the Johnson's baby powder, and these are the 9 ounce. And on my Facebook page, I have a coupon for $1.50 off any 2 Johnson products. Now these are $1.97. So go ahead and use one of those. If you're purchasing 2, you need to purchase 2 for the deal. And then go to your Cartwheel app and add the 20% off Johnson's Cartwheel deal. So you'll end up paying like 80-something cents a piece for these. So good deal if you are needing baby lotion. And you can use it on other products like the head to toe wash, the nighttime lotion. It's just going to cost you a little bit more out of pocket. So really the baby powder is the cheapest deal for you if you're just looking for, if you need it. 83 cents is an awesome deal. So my favorite deal on this is definitely the green tea. Make sure that you're picking those up for less than 50 cents a box. And again, all the printables are available on my Facebook page, Savvy Coupon Shopper. So head to there after these. I'll post a link below. And hope you guys pick up on the deals, and I'll catch you at the next video. Bye-bye.